What I have for you today is a Fulton marine lock. This is the kind of lock that you would use to lock a trailer so that the tongue could not be lifted up and then the trailer removed from a ball hitch that it would be attached to. And the way that this works is you put your key in and it'll rotate the whole side of the device off from here, and you don't typically separate this completely, but just enough so that you can remove it from the trailer and then put it back in. It's just the opposite. You'll just tighten it, and then as soon as the key is removed, you can't turn the keyway to loosen it anymore. So this particular lock and others like it are prone to attacks from a set of jigglers. This is an example set here. You can buy this on Amazon for about 15 bucks. And these different ghost keys basically will just fit in here, and then you'll jiggle them till they start to move your pins, and then oh, there you go. You got it to move. In this particular lock, as I'm jiggling and moving it in here, I'm putting tension with the key itself to turn the keyway. There it goes, got another quarter turn. So what I'm gonna try to do is just get this disconnected completely. And it takes a while with this one because as soon as I get it to line up, it only moves about a quarter turn before they reset, and then I have to do it again. There's another quarter turn, and we're getting close. There's another quarter turn. So these jiggler sets are handy in a lot of different uses. File cabinets, toolboxes, small lock boxes. There's all kinds of locks that are susceptible to these jiggler sets, and they're cheap. Like I said, you can get 12 different keys here for about 14, 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link to this one in the description. All right, now we're getting a little stubborn here. It's very random, doesn't require really any skill, but after you've gotten a feel for a particular lock, you can usually reproduce it pretty quickly, but right now I'm getting stuck here. Just be patient and work through it. Yep, got one more. Oh, and there we go. And that's the last one. So that took a while. Probably going to speed up that section of the video so I don't waste your time, but this is how they work. It's just a very simple, thin key, so it can fit in a lot of different keyways, and then that random set of bumps there, you're just kind of jiggling away, trying to get it to work. And this set has a few different, these look like picks to some extent, different waves in the design. Here's a big wavy one here. So this one I've had good luck with as well, just very slight dimples on the sides. And this one's kind of large. I haven't found a use for this one yet. But yeah, pretty handy to just have a set like this around, because you'd be surprised how many keys they replace, essentially. So that's it. This is a Fulton marine lock. This is a set of jiggler keys that you can use to bust locks like this all day long. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.